Ayaw niya matulog. Ayaw din na naman siya. So, ayaw niya matulog. Mahilig siya sa ganito. Ba?
Hello.
Oh. Nung oras na, mag alas 3 na, wala na. 1:00 dapat natulog na to eh.
Kukunin yung cellphone mo.
Hi.
Hello. Hello.
Sige.
Hello.
Bahay-bahayan daw. Ha? May makulit kang anak kung ano-ano lang pinapagawa.
Hello.
Hi, vlog!
Hi, vlog. Kurang
Hi,
pingay.
vlog!
Napingay.
Hi, vlog! Oh, say hi, vlog. Hi!
Hi.
Hi, vlog! Very good! Hi, vlog! Oh. Hi!
Peekaboo. Nah, pada finger.
Kawawa naman yung kamay.
Where are you?
Mommy.
Five little monkey jumping on the bed. From his mama called the doctor. Said monkey on the bed. Papi's head. Mama called the doctor.
Oh!
Oh, mama called the doctor and the doctor no more.
Initsura namin, oh. Katalo mo. Ang paa niya kanina.
Nakakangawit ang pee.
Ay, nako, anak ko. Oh, sige, kanta ulit. Yung point to the ceiling naman naroon na dyan din.
One little finger, one little finger. Tap, tap, tap.
Bata mo.
Yan agad na ito. Yan agad na ito. Yan agad na ito. Ano pangalan to? Ito. Hair. One little finger.
Sa balik mo daw.
Balik po.
Sige, kanta.
Hello.
Suya up.
Hi, vlog.
Oh, kanta ka pa.
Hi, vlog.
Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Niyawanan na ako.
A is for B is for? C is for? D is for? E is for? F is for? G is for? H is for? I is for? Ice cream. J is for? K is for? L is for? Lion.
Lion.
M is for? Monkey. N is for? Nest.
Nos ka no.
Ay, nose. O is for? Octopus. Very good. P is for? Penguin.
Pengay.
Ay, penguin. Q is for? Queen.
Queen.
R is for? Rainbow. S is for? S is for?
Tinamad na.
Ayaw
wala
na.
Ayaw na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 3, 4, 6. 1 plus 1. What's your name? How old are you?
Hi.
Hi, vlog.
Oh, bye-bye. Say bye-bye
Bye-bye,
na.
bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, anak.
Bye-bye, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, vlog.
Bye-bye, vlog ko naman.
Bye-bye, vlog.
Sleep na.
Flying kiss, bye.
Sleep na, okay?
Vlog.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Nakangangawit na.
Vlog.
Bye-bye.
Sleep. Okay, sleep na.
Bye-bye.